Before we jump back into our flip, Tom Wichman from Florida Friendly Landscaping Program shares some maintenance tips on weeding.
Weeds are everywhere, and unfortunately, they're the bane of everyone's existence. But really, a weed is just any plant that's out of place. Now, let's think about preventing them in the first place. If you're creating a new landscape bed, maybe we can use a fabric ground cloth that can keep them from growing in the very first place. A nice 2 to 3 inch layer of Florida-friendly organic mulch. You put that in, the chunkier the better. That'll help keep the weeds down and keep those seeds from germinating. Now, if the weeds are already there, what do? You can get on your hands and knees and do a little weeding. Don't wait for them to get up to your knees. Just because it's easier, get them while they're small, before they can reseed. We've got lots of different tools to help you get those weeds out. And if it just gets to be too much, there are herbicide products that can help as well. We have pre-emergent herbicide products which will prevent the weed seeds from germinating, but you have to have all the weeds out of that bed first. You also have post-emergent herbicide products that we use once those weeds are there already, so it's going to kill those existing weeds. And make sure you follow the label instructions. On any product, it's so important. The label is the law. Managing weeds, that doesn't have to be so difficult, but keeping those weeds under control will keep the landscape looking better and keep your plants healthy.